Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes for previous years. It's crucial to address unfiled returns promptly to avoid further issues. We'll guide you through the process, starting with understanding why filing is so important. Then, we'll cover how to collect all the right documents for each tax period you need to address. Finally, we'll walk you through the steps to properly complete and submit your forms. Now, let's talk about gathering your essential documents. For each year you need to file, you'll want to collect all your W-2 forms from employers. Don't forget any Form 1099 if you received income as a contractor or from investments. Also, make sure to find records for any deductions or credits you might be eligible for, like mortgage interest or student loan payments. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother. Once you have all your documents, it's time to complete the forms. Make sure you're using the correct tax forms for each specific period you're filing. Accuracy is key, so double-check all your entries before finalizing. After completing them, mail your returns to the appropriate tax authority address. Remember, each year's return should typically be mailed in a separate envelope to avoid confusion. Finally, let's discuss potential penalties and your next steps. The tax authority may assess penalties for late filing and late payment, which can add up. If your situation is complex, consider seeking professional tax assistance to ensure everything is handled correctly. After filing, keep copies of all submitted documents for your records. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps you stay organized and informed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.